spray yourself in the eye either. That burns. Like I just did. Gosh dog it. Spray carburetor cleaner in my face. Hey, what's up, everybody? I've got a few push mowers here that need to be fixed, and so I figured I would take you along with me and we can diagnose each one and repair each one. Hopefully, we got all the parts, and yeah, let's get into it. All right, so the first push mower, they just want to get it going and fix anything maybe that's wrong with it. Like some of these cables, I can feel this cable is locked up. But the first thing we'll do is spray some starting fluid and see if it tries to crank or run. All right, well, we know it'll try to run, so probably need to clean the carburetor and then maybe put new brake cable and new self-propel cable on there. So let's get into it. Carburetor off of here. Pull that off. Make sure you remove your acorn caps. All right, next thing is the carburetor itself. We'll get a 10mm. Pinch off the fuel. Clamp slid back. Pull the carburetor off. Alrighty. Now let's go to the workbench. Okay. Let's get this carburetor apart. You gotta watch with these carburetors. This bolt that holds the bowl on is actually the jet too. Not too bad. Little seat looks good in there. Carburetor is not too bad at all. Let's get this cleaned up. Make sure you don't get carburetor cleaner on your bowl gaskets. Anything rubber O-ring, it'll make it swell for sure. So just be as careful as you can. And just spray. Don't spray yourself in the eye either. That burns. Like I just did. Gosh dog it. Spray carburetor cleaner in my face. Okay, I just did exactly what I said not to do. Wow. All right. Be very careful. You take my own advice sometimes, you know what I mean? Clean this bowl out. Look at there, good as gold. Let's kind of brush this off a little bit. Clean, good to go. Make sure everything's cleaned out. All right, that's clean. This back together. Let's clean the jet slash bolt that holds the bowl of the carburetor on. Nice and clean. I'll put it back together. Put the bowl back on, sealing washer, and the bolts. Now let's get it back on the mower. Before you hook the fuel line back up, you always want to let fuel kind of flow out just to make sure you ain't got no water or trash or anything like that. At least that's what I do. I'll let a little bit, see how it was dark brown and then it cleared up. Do the same thing in reverse. Hook your fuel line back up. Hook it to the throttle linkage. Hook your governor spring. And then we'll bolt it back to the engine. Let's test it like this. We'll spray a little starting fluid. See if it continues to run. Little issues with throttle. Got some governor issues, so let's pull this cover off and we'll check out, see what's going on with the governor on the carburetor. Okay, well, we got everything off and you know, it was still stuck. I was taking the governor and everything, thinking it was a governor. So the governor is good, moving back and forth. But I wanted to pull the carburetor off, even though I just went through the carburetor. I wanted to pull it off just to check, to make sure. And what I found was this right here, and what it is, the little butterfly valve was out of place. I had to reposition it, and now it moves back and forth like it's supposed to. So let's get this all put back together. All right, now we got it all back where we were, and it's moving good. Let's get the air filter base reinstalled. All right, now let's test it and make sure. All right, we're gonna put a new brake cable and a new self-propel cable on it. So let's get into that. All right, we got the old brake cable off. New cable right here. Ooh, new one's a little short. Let's try it and see. I'm really not sure about that. I mean, it works, but man, it's pulling this out. All right, let's move on to the self-propelled. Okay. We got it. All right. This one's the same. Good deal. Out with the old. Let's install the new. Put that in there. All right. Snap that in. This cover put back on. Okay, so I didn't like how that new brake cable for this push mower was shorter and it was just coming straight and not going through the guide. So I did go looking on our wall and I did find one that was the correct one. So we're gonna put this one on it. All right, we got it out here. Let's test it out. Prime 3 times. Yeah. All right, well, that's it. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and join us on the next one.